As you can see, when I use my horizontal scroll wheel of my Logitech MX Master on Photoshop, the scroll bar moves, but it doesn't scroll horizontally. Or sometimes it scrolls to the far end and it gets stuck there. To fix it, we need to go to Start and then search for Logitech, then select Logitech options. And here all we got to do is to create a specific profile for Photoshop. To do that, click on here and then select Application Specific Settings, then click on Add Application, and here simply select Photoshop to create a specific profile for Photoshop. And the trick in here is to select horizontal scroll and change it to zoom in out. Once you change it, click outside and we are done. Now if you go back to Photoshop, you could use your horizontal scroll wheel to scroll to the left or to the right, even though we had set the horizontal scroll to zoom in out.